What causes sound of a seashell? The sound of a seashell is a result of a fascinating auditory illusion. When you hold a seashell to your ear, what you're actually hearing is the resonance of ambient noise, like the blood flow and surrounding sounds. The curved shape of the shell acts as a natural amplifier, capturing and reverberating these external noises. This creates a gentle, soothing, and continuous ocean-like sound due to the shell's acoustics. It's not the ocean inside the shell, it's a clever combination of physics, natural acoustics, and your brain's interpretation, producing a comforting and timeless auditory experience. Want to know the answers to fascinating questions? Please subscribe this Venki the Techie channel.